problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon it.
Well, a little brisk out today, but sun's out, feeling good. Gonna get this bike ride in.
I solve them, I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon it. Why you be all in my line about nothing?
Hey guys, welcome back. Here we are down in the basement, ready for a killer workout. Got some back for you guys today. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get after it. Nothing like good back day, getting your lats pumped like crazy, feeling that burn. This is currently my pull down system. Gotta pull you up, down, over. Really wish I had a set of ropes, but everyone online is sold out. So that's awesome, but make do with what we got. I use a bar for pullovers, works good enough. Lat pullovers is definitely one of my favorite exercises for lats. It really stretches them out.
Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. A phone and affection, I summon it up.
I know I'm pretty fortunate. I got a lot more than most. Very grateful for all that. My dad had some stuff. He let me just shop and make stuff. Very happy and thankful for that. Definitely one thing that I get to enjoy at home is be able to work out barefoot or say with my shirt off. Can't do it at the gym, at least the gym I go to. So that's definitely a bonus. Could call that the silver lining of being at home. Pendlay rows are probably one of my favorite back exercises. I got some big news coming up, so make sure you guys tune in next week to find out. We're gonna move right in from the Pendlay row, right into a dumbbell bent over row. Well, I have an insanely huge dumbbell because the plates I had to stack to get up the weight I needed. Do some one-arm pull-downs next. All I have is this band cable handle, but it works good. Just a little scared to overweight it. Might break on me, you never know. Next, we're going to be moving into a V-grip row, or as close as I can because all I have for a V-grip is a mag bar, if I could talk right. It's definitely crazy how I've gotten used to not having to wear headphones to work out all the time. Mag bar. I got it, don't worry. I don't know if anyone noticed my magic trick with my plates, how they flipped around. Alright, I'm about to do my third set of V-grip row, or mag grip row. I'm going to do 2 drop sets, going to failure in each after. Thanks for tuning in again, guys. It's much appreciated. I've been working real hard to get my videos up for you guys. Hope you really do enjoy them. If you feel like leaving a comment or a question on something you might want me to do or what I was doing, definitely feel free to do that. It would be very helpful for me in my editing process and even my workouts. Maybe food, if you guys got an idea on that. I'm definitely willing to try stuff. Always open to ideas. Make sure to subscribe if you did enjoy, so you can join up for next week's adventure. Oh, here comes lunch. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, she's going the wrong way. What are you doing? Oh.
Maybe come back.
Well, I'm going to try this place out for lunch here. Little food truck. Full takeout. I just pulled the classic move of, she said, have a good lunch, and I said, you too. Face slap. Well, we got tater tots and I'm not really sure. I got a lobster roll with some sort of sub, I think. Price point, I'm not sure. I don't even know what the price was. I just ordered some stuff. Got 2 sandwiches. Alright, we got the unboxing of a pulled pork. Looks like on flatbread. Like I said, I didn't even know I was ordering. I just saw a sign and said, that sounds good. So I got tater tots this one too, kept it simple. Sorry for the camera shots. We are driving. This actually looks pretty fire though. Looks like it was like grilled up on a grill. I said grill twice because I wanted to make sure you know it was grilled on the grill. We're gonna give it a shot. Looks like we can get some cheese. It's got a pickle in there. So, I did a little research on the Scallywags place that I ate at. I was very impressed. They actually have a couple different locations, which is pretty cool. The food truck we stopped at must be part of their catering service. The owner is actually from an island off of Georgia, which is kind of neat. So, he grew up eating and cooking a lot of seafood. All that being said, the food was very good. I was very impressed, especially from coming out of a food truck. I know I'm sure their menus at a location are a lot better. I think the price is definitely a little higher end, a little more expensive, but that makes sense because the food is fresh, locally sourced, which is awesome. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Can't wait to see you back next week. Because, of course, I got some really big news that I'm really excited about. Can't wait to share with you guys. So, until next time, I'm out.